Today, let's go over some more video editing techniques. So the main way to edit in Fractal Video Shufflr is through the Create project. So whenever you open up the app, you can just go through here. And of course, changing these settings is going to allow for you to adjust what type of video you make. So let's say you wanted a slow video, like changing this to 10 seconds minimum and 60 seconds of a maximum length. If you put a video in here, it's going to shuffle in a way that it's going to really slow down the pacing of your video. But let's say you're trying to give a video out to kids who are trying to watch Minecraft, then you're probably going to want to do like 1 to 5 seconds so that it's really fast, it's quick, it's always changing on them. And this is going to really allow for you to create all types of videos. And so, like, the philosophy behind using this part of the shuffler is to allow for you to add montages and clips throughout your main video. So, like, let's say you know that you have this particular section of your video that you don't really know what to put there. Just come in here, decide how you want that section to flow based off of the min and max settings, and then just add your files and create a video. Then you can fill that section with this clip. Alternatively, of course, you can make an entire full video. You can change this to 45 minutes and you can make a full video. And you can of course change how that pacing is based off of these settings. And so it's extremely powerful, especially if you're just looking up images. And let's just say you wanted to do a video about like Taylor Swift. Like it'd be super easy just to type in her name, get those images, and then genuinely just already have this set to 45 minutes. Decide how you want that video to flow. And then yeah, you would select what images you would want, and then you would just add those in. And then of course it's going to download and it's going to add those in for you. And then once you have all of the images that you want, then of course after that, then you could just shuffle and then you'd have your full video. Of course, if you wanted to add your voiceover to it, then just do that. And you can record your own voice inside of the app. So record your voice, come in here, add your voiceover, or if you just wanted to use AI, go to the audio and voiceover section and generate an AI voiceover, add that in. Now you have a full video, very quick, very easy, and you would be very surprised at how many people are okay with this style of video. People don't really, I don't want to say that they don't care. They do care about the video quality, but the thing that they care about more is the information that they're getting from you. And so if you are working really hard on your script, if you're working really hard on your voiceover, if you're working really hard on that, then that's all you really need in most cases. And so that's going to be the create section. That's going to be the fastest way to make a video. The next fastest way is going to be in the video creator. And so this is going to be my favorite way to do it because it is super simple. It's super easy. Anybody can do it, just like on the main page. Like the entire purpose of the video or the video shuffler is to allow for anybody and everybody to just use a software to edit quickly without learning all the ins and outs. So of course you can come in here and you can add any type of asset, and that's going to add it to the project. And then of course you can scrub through it and you can see what that looks like. You can select on it and you'll see that here on the inspector you can do multiple things to it, so you can change how this looks. If you pinch, you can of course resize this. You can make it bigger or smaller, pinching in and out. And of course here on the left you'll see how long that plays, the start and end times, and then of course you can adjust that here on the right. So this is a super fast way to build a really long video exactly how you want it. You can play, pause, adjust all of the settings for each clip. And then of course you can also use AI to do all of that for you, and it'll find all that information for you. I have a video on the channel going over that already, so I'm not going to go into that in this one, but it's there. And so yeah, this is going to be the next fastest way to make a video. Of course you can also do the shuffling here just like we did on the homepage. You can do the exact same thing here. And so you can of course just add any amount of video, any amount of images. You can do the exact same search here to try to find images and videos to match your video that you're making. You can add your background music and your voiceover, and yeah, everything will just work like magic. And so, yeah, once you have everything set up exactly how you want it in the video, then you can always just make sure to review it, and then of course go to file and export. And so that's kind of the video creator. Very, very simple, very quick and easy. And yeah, that is the second fastest way to make a video. Then the last fastest is the events editor, and this combines both the video creator and the create project into a very normal timeline that you see in other editors. So of course you can add video, images, and whatnot. And what it will do is you can organize your video here on the left. So you can just keep one page if you want and put all of your files into one page, and you can of course turn off shuffle. And then it'll just work just like any other editor. It'll just put all of your files here on the timeline whenever you go to file and then preview plan, or if you just click this preview plan button, it will just put everything on your timeline. And so this allows you to do your planning in stages. So instead of just dragging everything onto the timeline and that's like just what you are ready to have, what you can do is you can plan everything first, and you can plot exactly how you want your video to go. And you can just add multiple pages here, and you can add different files to each page. You can decide if you want that page to be shuffled or if you want it to be cut, and if you want to mute it or not. And so this is going to allow for you to quickly build videos, preview them, and then of course export them, just like with the video creator. If you wanted to make shorts, then just toggle this on and you could turn it on to shorts. And inside of the events editor, of course, you can have your inspector just like in the video creator, and it allows you to change the total duration and other settings. So I have full videos on my channel going over how to use this tool, but this is the third fastest way to edit videos. So Fractal Video Shuffler is a true video shuffler. It allows you to create any type of videos for YouTube or TikTok or YouTube Shorts. You can create them quickly, you can find all the assets you need, and you can really start to plan the video that you truly want to do. And lastly, let's go over the flow board, which allows you to organize your videos. So it's just a mind map. If you come in here, you can click new, and of course you can choose a template, and then of course we'll create the project. And then if you scroll here to the bottom, you can actually organize the way that you want a video to look and feel, and this will allow you to plan and plot your video so that you can of course go into the create project and do that exact same plan. And so if you have any questions, please join the Discord. Just click home and click the Discord button, and I will help you at any point in time. This tool is really to allow for people to not burn out on YouTube and to allow for you to continue to grow on YouTube and share your face, share your story, whether you want to share your face or if you want to do it completely faceless. You can do both of those using this tool. I have an image editor, voice editor. You can write scripts, you can do everything in here. So just make sure to check out the videos on this channel. This is really a software that's never been done before, and I am creating it to, again, allow for more creativity on the platform and to allow for more people to use YouTube. So if you like this, make sure to leave a like, share this video with a friend so that they can try it out. And also make sure to check out the affiliate video if you want to do that. And again, just thank you so much for making it to this part of the video, and thank you for watching and being a part of this experience. It's truly, I'm grateful for you. So thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video.